Hi, my name is MAIZATUL HANANI binti YUNUS with matric number A19A0262. In my part, I would like to introduce about business mathematics. Business mathematics is an important part of managing businesses and is used by commercial enterprises to record and manage business operations. It helps us know the financial formula fractions, measurements involved in interest calculation, higher rates, salary calculation, and tax calculation, which help complete business tasks efficiently. The company can use the calculation in relation to manufacturing, such as the cost of raw materials, machinery, rent, or administrative expenses, while this depreciation is an accounting method of allocating the cost of a tangible or physical asset over its useful life or life expectancy. Each company might set its own depreciation represent how much of an asset's value has been used up. So for this assignment, we have to collect production-based information in the real market related to our company to use mathematical calculations from the business mathematics course. Next is about our company's name and the detail of the company. Our company's name is Love and Story Bakery, which is a modern and trendy bakery shop. Love and Story Bakery was located in Kota Baru, Kelantan. It was founded on 1st August 2018 by the owner of the bakery, Muhammad Hidayat bin OTHMAN and colleagues. Love and Story Bakery is a partnership business. There are several employees of Love and Story Bakery which divided into multiple departments where it managed each of the departments to make sure the business runs smoothly.
Okay, now I explain about payroll report. The payroll report above show the salary report for each employer according to their respective department. Alright. Second, there are several types of income such as salary, overtime, commission, and piecework. And third, total income is calculated by summing all types of income received. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is NOOR binti AZMI. My matric number is A19A0424. I would like to introduce amount of Love and Bakery Company to start up business. Firstly, for our own description, that amount RM 20,000. Next, we get a loan from LATIF in amount RM 5,000 with 7% interest in 80-month time period with 525 interest amount and 5,525 for future value. Next, for Bank ABC, we get RM 10,000 amount, 6.5% compounded monthly for 7 years time period, with 5,700 for interest amount and 50,742 ringgit and 39 cents for future value. Next, I will continue with Love and Bakery promissory note. RM 5,000 for the face value that start from 1 April 2018 until the due date in 30 September 2019. That is 18 months after the starting date with 7% interest until paid. In the promissory note, the marker of the note is Ahmad bin Abu and the payee note is Norman bin Hassan. For calculate maturity value, the formula is face value that RM 5,000 plus interest due, that is 525, and the total value for the maturity is 5,525 ringgit.
Hi, my name is MUNIRAH IZZATI binti RIZALMAN and my matric number is A19A0387. In my part, I would like to list the machinery in our Love and Story company. Okay, first our main machinery is oven with the specification 120 liter from the baker. Next is mixer 1100 watt from Philips. Next is proofer 2 doors 24 layers from Fresh FX. The next is cooling rack 15 layer from Solid Robot, and the lastly is toaster with the specification 2500 watt from Panasonic. Next is bakery company received an invoice for ovens cost 5,000 ringgit date on 1st July 2020 from supplier B. If invoice was paid on 9 July 2020, it must be 4,850 ringgit per 9 days, and if 22nd July 2020, it must be 5,000 ringgit. Okay, since the invoice was paid after length of discount period, 21st days after invoice date, therefore supplier B not entitled for the cash discount. Supplier B need to pay net amount for the invoice 5,000 ringgit.
I will present about depreciation of machinery. The oven was bought for 5,000. It is estimated to have a useful life of 6 years with a scrap value of 500. Using 4 declining bill of metals, I want to highlight important point in instruction. The cost of machine is 5,000, useful life in 6 years, and scrap value is 500. Okay. To calculate the declining balance method, require the use of the following table. To ensure that this table or calculate is used correctly, the final amount of book value is scrap value.
Next is amount of payment. Based on the bank loan that our company has identified at 4.5% compound monthly in 12 months, our monthly payment is 853 ringgit and 79 cents.
Last but not least, it is important to understand often to calculate the amortization schedule such as principal, which is the original amount of loan, interest is the amount of the lender charge, amortized loan is a loan in which the principal and interest are paid each period by making equal payment. Therefore, the table below have shown Love and Saudi Bakery amortized schedule. All of company can use the calculation of business mathematics to estimate the cost that will be incurred in relation to the manufacturing. Mathematics skill is most important because this can be help company to calculate investment. Each company must have a mission to improve their performance in business by taking actions such as to record and manage business operation. That's all from us. Thank you.